Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, aim feel easier to make you fly. Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, aim feel easier to make you fly. Here we go.
Yes. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Everyone, please switch on your videos. Rohit, Umra, Shifana, Shubham, Elena. Okay. Guys, have you done the assignment yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, we'll start with the makeup session after half an hour. Okay. So till then, I'll be doing a different activity. Okay, this is like you have to speak. Okay, I need you guys. I want you guys to speak. Okay, so I'll give you a topic on spot. So you have to just speak on that topic. Okay, I want minimum 10 lines. Okay, with fluency, without any pause, without by the rules for this speeches, that you have to maintain your voice. Okay, the tone of your voice should be maintained. It should be moderate. Okay, smile should be there while you speak. Whenever you are speaking, you should always smile. And third will be, you have to speak minimum of 8 to 10 lines. 8 to 10 lines is mandatory. Okay, and then okay, no pause and no stoppage in between. Do not, you cannot think. The moment you think, I will stop you right away, and you will lose the game. Okay, you will be to win the game. You have to speak. Okay, continuously, no stoppage in between. And what you will get time to think at first itself. I'll give you 5 minutes, like 2-3 minutes of time. You can think in that point of time itself. I just want to see how much capable you are. Like, I want to check your fluency, and also I'll check on tone. Okay, in which tone you are speaking, and your words should be clear. Okay, whenever you are speaking, you cannot speak inside your mouth. It should pronounce well, and no fake accents. Okay, I'm telling you again and again, no fake accents. Like, uh, you cannot pronounce coming as coming. Okay, I like that. No fake accents, no ch, no British, no American accents should be there. Just the basic English I want, and it should be clear. Each word should be clear. It should be understandable. Okay, I'll start the topic now. I'll start with Anjali Kumari. Okay, okay, Anjali. Which is your favorite fruit, Anjali?
Mango, ma'am.
Okay, can you speak about mango? Okay, you know the rules and regulations, right? You know the rules and regulations of this speech, right? This game.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want you to switch on. Okay, maintain a poise. You have to maintain your posture. You have to sit in a straight position, which you cannot lean and speak. While speaking, you have to sit straight. Your back should be straight. Okay, and I'll teach you the hand position after, like when I'll do the grooming session, how you have to sit, how you have to sit while talking. But now, as of now, you can speak by a smile, maintaining your smile. Okay, you have to maintain your smile. So these are the rules. You can continue, Anjali. I mean, you can take 2 minutes of time. You can speak at 2:16. Now it's 2:14, 2:16.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Rohit, ma'am.
Sorry?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the rule, ma'am? I don't know the rule.
Just now I spoke. Okay, I'll tell it once again. First rule is that whenever you're speaking, you have to speak clearly each and every word. You have to open your mouth and speak. You cannot eat the word and speak. Your mouth closed. Okay, so that whatever you're speaking, the words are understandable to me and your classmates. Second rule, you have to speak minimum of 8 to 10 lines. Third is no MTI, no mother tongue influence. Okay, as I have already told you what mother tongue influence is, I have corrected many of you as well. So please take care of that, each of you, whatever I have told you before. And no fake accents like coming and coming. You cannot speak coming like that. Okay, so then the fourth point is you have to maintain a smile and sit in a straight position. Okay, that's it. You can got it, Rohit?
Yes,
Sorry?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so after this I'll start the grooming. Okay, Anjali, you may start, please.
Mango is my favorite fruit. Mango is a national fruit of India. Mango is a king of all fruits. Mango is come in a summer season.
Okay, Divya. Okay, Anjali, that's okay. Since you paused, so I'll have to stop you here. So this was not the rule of the game that you can pause in between. So that's your answer. I'll take it as a final answer from you. It was a good answer, but as I said, you cannot pause, but you had a big long pause in between. So try to rectify it. Okay, whenever you are speaking something, if you want to speak more, you can just tell me, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, may I have some time to think and then answer. You may excuse me and then excuse yourself and then think and then reply. But whenever you're replying, please do not stop in between, because this will show that you do not know the answer and you are not confident enough. Okay, Anjali, so please try to take care of these things. This is your feedback. Next, again, whenever I'll ask, I hope you will rectify it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Anjali.
Thank you, ma'am.
The next one is Ankita Kumari. Okay, Ashwin, so you know what is the game,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So I'll ask you. Okay, Ashwin, which is your favorite brand, Ashwin, in clothes? Okay, you just tell me which is the thing which you like. I mean, like shoes or football or whatever. What is the thing that you like? You're very passionate about. Bike, cars, anything.
I'm
Yeah.
driving.
Driving. Okay, which car do you like to drive?
Any.
Any car? Anything, but I need a specific one. Anything, Ashwin. Don't pressurize yourself. Anything where like you like it. Any shoes brand that you like? Okay, Ashwin, do you like football? Any sports that you like? Which sports do you like?
I
Huh? Which sport do you like? Now don't tell me that you don't like sports.
like all the sports, but
You like all the cars, you like all the sports. Any specific sport that you like?
no, I will play every game.
Sorry?
I play.
Okay, you tell me about football, Ashwin. 10 lines. Okay, I want you to win the game. Come on, tell me. Okay, leave about football. Tell me about aviation. Why have you choose aviation?
Uh, can I think and
Yeah, you can take 2 minutes of your time, 3 minutes of your time, and
hello?
Yes, Ashwin, tell me. Yes, Ashwin. Are you done? Are you done, Ashwin?
Yes, ma'am.
okay, you can proceed.
Ma'am, mm, because in aviation I like to travel one place to another and to work in ground staffs and paperwork. Try like to work in the uh, airport and my brother is an aeronautical engineer studying there and I like he told me about the aviation advantages. That way I like the aviation.
Okay, that's it. Okay, he left the session. I'll come here. I'll give his feedback once he comes back. Okay. So the next person is Divya Khadaria. Divya.
Yes, ma'am.
Divya.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Who is this? Ashwin.
Not ma'am, I'm Naresh.
Okay. 1 second. Ashwin is back. I want to talk to Ashwin. Ashwin, are you there? Ashwin,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, Ashwin, I'll teach you how to answer a question. Okay, Ashwin,
Okay.
you can just mute yourself because there's a lot of background music I can hear. Ashwin, for this question, it is a very commonly asked question for people who go for interview for aviation jobs. Okay, I want to all of you to answer very professionally. Okay, I want you to answer in this way. I'll just answer in a simple way. You can just listen to me. Okay. If someone will ask you why to choose aviation, you can just answer like this. I want to be a part of aviation industry as it is the fastest growing sector. As we all know, it's a customer service industry in which we have to tackle the customers as they enters and departs from the airport. It is very challenging industry in which in each day we face different people from different religions and religions. So you can just add on things like this. I'm the person who like facing new challenges. That's why I think I am the perfect candidate for this field. You can answer this way also, or I'll tell you some other answers also. 1 second.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. You can answer like, it is the fastest growing industry. Aviation is the fastest growing industry. And I'm a person who likes to interact with people, who likes to, help people. Okay, so I want to be. I think my interest matches with the roles and responsibilities of the job. As I have done some research about aviation, so I got to know that whatever the roles and responsibilities of aviation jobs, it matches quite with my interest. That is the reason I would like to go my career in aviation. So I would be grateful if I get an opportunity to be a part of aviation. You can just answer like this. Okay. These are some points I'm telling. You can just make it like a good paragraph and say. Do you all want me to speak once again?
Yes, ma'am. Please do that.
Okay. Aviation is the fastest growing industry. I like interacting with people. Interacting, or else you can say interacting with people is my hobby. And while I was going through the roles and responsibility of jobs of the aviation industry, I came to know it that the roles and responsibility matches quite with my interest. So I would like to grow my career in this industry. I would be grateful if I get an opportunity to be a part of aviation. You can just answer like this. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Ashwin, you got it. Ashwin, you have to be very confident. Okay. Ashwin, I saw that you were not able to speak and you were waiting in between. You have to practice a lot. Okay. It's specifically on some specific questions that are asked in interview. You have to practice those, at least those, so that at least in the interview you can perform. Okay, some questions you can just write it down if you have a pen and paper with you, Ashwin. Okay, some questions like,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Written.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I will, sir. I am Ashwin Suresh. I am basically from Kerala, but currently.
No, I'm not asking you. I'm not asking you. You can just. I am telling you the questions which mostly they ask in the interviews.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so these are the questions that they mostly ask. So I want you to prepare for these answers, and I want you to answer it in a like a poem. Okay, but you have to make sure you maintain all the full stops and commas. But I don't want you to stop and answer, because like that way nobody will hire you. Got it? You have to be confident enough, and you have to show that you're confident enough to be to handle passengers, because handling passengers needs so much of confidence. Got it? Because they are the people who will be angry sometimes, who will be in some other mood sometimes. So you have to be confident enough to deal with passengers. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, please write the questions. Tell me about yourself. Why you want to be? Why you want to choose? Why choose aviation? Um, your home place. Tell me about your hometown. Okay, why you want to do this job? You want to do ground staff, right? Or ground staff? No, Ashwin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why ground staff? Okay, and questions like your favorite food, your favorite food. They will ask. They might ask because they want you to speak. Okay.
Okay,
How
ma'am.
will you interact with passengers? Your strengths. What are your strengths? Tell me something positive about you. Tell me something negative about you. Anything you don't like about yourself. And where you want to see yourself after 5 years. Your greatest achievement. Your happiest moment in life. Sad moment in life till date. Uh, your aim, your aim in life.
All that has been
Philip, please mute yourself. I think there is your. Okay, Ashwin. I think these are the possible questions an recruiter in aviation industry will ask. Okay, so prepare for these questions. If you need any help while answering these questions, just let me. Feel free to tell me. That is, yesterday I have given my email ID, so you can mail me there at any time.
Okay.
I'll help you immediately. No need to worry. Okay, and tomorrow also I'll if you guys will tell me to answer these questions, I'll help you in answering these questions. I'll dictate. You can just So that sometimes it's very important for a person to practice whenever he's facing an interview. Not every person is born a winner. To be a winner, you need to practice. Okay, not everyone will go to an interview and he'll crack the interview and come back. Everyone needs to practice. After practicing, in some cases, like if in some the very rare cases where people can clear without any practice or something, but practice is very necessary for anything to achieve. Okay. Okay, next person is Janvi. Janvi, which is your favorite makeup brand? Janvi, you there? Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, you want another topic, right?
Yes, ma'am. Can I speak on dance?
Yeah, sure. Okay, you like dancing?
Yes, ma'am, a lot.
Okay, you can start with that topic then.
Okay, ma'am. So, good afternoon, everyone. Myself Janvi, and I'm here to speak on topic dance. So, dance is one of those things which can relieve our stress. Like, if we are happy or sad, we can dance to relieve our stress. There are different types of categories of dance, like hip hop, classical dance, semi-classical dance, folk dance. So, in classical dance also, we have different types of categories like Manipuri, Kathak, Bharatanatyam, etc. So we do have also different types of jewelries and that costumes for particular dance. And even every state have their particular folk dance. And even I love to dance, and basically I dance for like classical dance. I love classical dance, and in classical dance, I'm doing 9 years of MA in Bharatanatyam. So that's all. Thank you.
But it was really nice, Janvi. You have covered 10 points. All the points you have covered.
Yes.
Also, your tone was very moderate. Okay, I was expecting that from you, and it was really good. I mean, the way you spoke, nothing. I cannot find any mistake this time. It was nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll start a grooming session now, guys. Okay, we'll resume it later on, the speech game. Okay, can you guys show me what all products did you get? I mean, is your products ready right now? Okay, unmute yourself, people. I want to know whether your products are ready or not. I want to show you how to get ready for a cabin crew interview.
Ma'am, not all products, basic products maybe.
Yeah, basic products, no problem. Okay, so first, for girls, okay, first I'll show you. The girls, please keep all your makeup products, okay, beside you. If you want a small mirror, you can take. If you have a small mirror, you can bring those products. Okay, get ready with whatever you want for the makeup. Okay, every single product you take there. Is that ready with you, or you have to bring it? Ready. Everyone's ready with the makeup products?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first thing first, moisturize your face, all of you. Okay, no problem. You can just watch us. Okay, you can just have a look at us. Okay, let's start. Moisturize. I want every girls, boys. You can just you can whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay, if you want to rejoin again, you can do. Okay, I'll take 30 minutes of time for the girls for this makeup thing. If boys, if you want to leave also, you can leave, because I'll not be all the girls. If I cannot scroll down actually. Okay, so boys, 30 minutes of time you can give to the girls. Okay, girls, can you please moisturize your face? Because I'm not able to see the girls. If the boys will just, their thing will pop out in my laptop.
Ma'am, only 6 minutes left for 3.
Okay, so sorry. 3:30. Boys, you can join us at 3 o'clock. Sorry, 3:30. Girls, please switch on. All of you should switch on your cameras now. Srinivas, Divya, Khushi, Nomeka, and Sylvia. How many of us are there, girls? Okay, everyone is girls. Okay, so all of you can see me, right? Divya, open your this thing. Please, nobody can switch off your video. Okay, now. Moisturizing is done, right? Moisturizing is done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next, if you have just moisturize and let it dry for some time, like 2 to 3 minutes. After this, if you have this thing, sorry, I'll just get the makeup. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So if all of you will have a primer, then that will be a good thing, because primer is a thing which will help you, in setting your makeup for a longer period of time. You can buy any primer from Color Bar or Lakme. There are so many brands. You can go to a Health and Glow shop and ask any person about primer. They will suggest you with so many primers. I would recommend Color Bar primer because I have been using this Color Bar primer since so long. I mean, it's been very long that I have been using this Color Bar primer. So you can use that Color Bar primer. Khushi and Miss George and Divya, please switch on your videos.
Ma'am, one thing. My father, he is not here, so I have no any makeup products also.
Okay, you can just watch us doing the makeup.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, does anyone of you have a primer with you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm having.
Okay, you can apply the primer.
Okay.
You can take the primer out. Okay, you can take some amount here. You can just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll open my sketch. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Shall we blend it, ma'am?
Yes, you have to blend it all over your face. Make sure you apply it everywhere. Okay, because this will help in setting up your makeup for a longer period of time. You blend it everywhere. Everywhere it's required.
Yeah, done, ma'am.
Okay. So now if you have a concealer, do you guys have a concealer with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please take out your concealer. Okay, apply the way I'm telling. If you have a brush, okay, if you have a brush, you can just take a brush, a small brush. What kind of brushes do you have? Can you please show it to me? Okay. Janvi, Janvi, can you show it to me once again? Janvi and Khushi. Okay, so Khushi, the one which has a black spot, no, that kind of brush. I want every just keep other brushes separate now. Other brushes you have to Can you see all of you what Janvi is holding the brush? Can you please show to everyone, Janvi? Janvi, can you show your brush to everyone? Okay, not Janvi, sorry, that is Khushi, I forgot, so sorry. Khushi, can you please show it to everyone? So everyone, if you can buy this kind of a brush, it will be good. Okay, you can put the concealer. So, Khushi, just take some amount of concealer in your hand. How is the concealer? Can you show it to me?
Ma'am, it's like this.
Okay, it's like this. Okay, no problem. You take with the brush. I don't have that brush at present right now. You can just, I'm having a big brush, but it is just a powder brush. Okay, it's not for concealer. So please take some amount of concealer. Even I do have a concealer like that. Okay, so take some amount of concealer. Okay, you have that, Janvi, no problem. You can just take out some concealer in your hand, or if you can pour it somewhere, you can just do that on your hand or somewhere else if it's anywhere. You can just take some
Ma'am?
concealer, everyone. Yes,
I'm having this kind of concealer.
that is also fine. Okay, I'll tell you how to use that. Shifana, Snowmaker, and Veena, do you have concealer? Oh, you have concealers. Okay, take concealer. Snowmaker, Snowmaker, you have a concealer with you? Snowmaker, Trissa, you have a concealer? Okay, so everyone, Ankita, do you have a concealer? Trissa? Concealer? Okay, okay, if you don't have, that's okay. You can watch us, you can buy it, and you can use it like that. So take concealers and apply it here. Apply it here. Okay. You can first not directly. You can just take some concealers, apply it, tap, 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 tap. Here also, if you have any pigmentation problem in this part of the area, or if you have any pigmentation in the forehead part, you can just conceal it by putting like this. Okay, I'll tell you how to blend it. First of all, you just apply the concealer.
Hello.
Yes. Srinivas, did you apply? Okay. Okay, you can just draw. Srinivas, you can draw it. Okay, you can just draw it like this. Open your specs. Draw it here. Yeah, also here. Okay, on your forehead as well. On your forehead as well. And I can see some patches in Srinivas' face in light nearer lips. Even I do have patches here. So I'll conceal it with the concealer. I'll apply it here as well. Wherever you have pigmentation problem, guys, you can just put the concealer in that part of your face. Shifana, are you doing? Naresh, please leave the meeting. Okay, I'll be back at 3:30. Shifana, Shifana, do you have the makeup with you?
No, ma'am.
You do not have? Okay, you can watch us, no problem. Everyone's applying. Okay, now you can blend it with a beauty blender. Okay, this is the beauty blender. Do you guys have this beauty blender with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shilka, that is a mistake. Don't blend with hand. Okay, that is a very wrong thing which people do. Do not blend it with hand. If you have a blender like this, or if you have a blender like this will also work, and this is also a blender. Both of them are blenders. Both of them you can use it for blending. Okay, so first you can just do the dapping. One thing you have to keep in mind while doing the blending thing, you do not have to scrub it like this. Okay, this will make your face look like a cakey one, not give you shine, and it will be, the other person will come to know that you have applied makeup. Okay, some scratch will be there if you will apply like this, if you put on like this. Even with hands, if you do like this, that is the issue. So always make sure whenever you are doing a makeup, you just have to dab. Okay, you have to blend it like this. See the way I am blending. Can you see the way? No, Khushi, no. You have to do it this way. Can you see this? Yeah. That's correct. And Shilka, yes, Shilka, you can do like this. So you are using that kind of a thing. So I'll show you this. With this, you can do like this. No, not with the. Just hold the this thing blender like this. Can you see how I'm holding? So you can press the forward with the tip of your finger. You can press the forward part of the blender. Yes, exactly. So you can just do it in this way. Okay, this will give you proper blending. Okay, it will give you a natural look if you will do in this manner. Is your blending done, guys? Yeah, Srinivas, that is nice, but Srinivas, you need to be little quicker. Okay, hold it like this. How am I holding? See the way I'm holding. I'm just catching two of the blender with 2 fingers, and here, okay, I am pressing the forward part of the blender, okay, and blending in this way. Yes. Okay, blending is done, concealer is done, so we can have the foundation now. Do you guys are you guys ready with the foundation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please take out your foundation.
Ma'am, I don't have my shade right now.
Sorry.
I don't have my shade right now. I need to get it.
Okay, no problem. Whatever shade you have, you can apply it right now. But yes, it is a good thing that you reminded me, Khushi. Every one of you, whenever you are going to purchase foundation, make sure foundation or a makeup setting powder or concealer. Make sure you always take a product which is which matches with your shade. We do makeup not to look fair. We do makeup only to make our skin look flawless without any patches. Okay, that is the main purpose of doing makeup. Okay, not to change our tone. It is not for changing any tone. It is just to hide the pigmentation and make our skin look flawless in whichever tone it is. Okay, so please buy a shade which matches with your tone, so that all you can hide all your patches and all. Okay, guys, you can take the foundation. Take the foundation. You can apply whatever you have as of now. Later you can buy it. Srinivas, do you have the foundation? Veena?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, take
Yes,
the
ma'am.
foundation. Take the foundation, apply it like this. Okay. Here one. Okay, I want you to look like a cheetah when you're applying foundation. Okay, it should be like a cheetah. Okay. Just take that small brush, Khushi, which you have. Okay, yeah, please, all of you, please watch Khushi. Okay, she has a brush with her, that is the reason. Okay, everyone, Khushi, you may follow me, okay? Okay, you can do like this. You should look like a cheetah. No, yeah, drop one drop here, one drop here, one drop here. Like this. Yes. Yes. Just do here, here, here. Again here, 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 everywhere. It should look like a dot on the whole face. Yes, yes. Can you observe, Khushi, all of you? Yeah, Veena, you're doing it correctly, but you have to put more dots. The dots are very far away, so you have to put more dots. Okay. Yes. Yes, correct, Khushi, correct. On your nose also, Khushi. Also on your cheeks. I have not seen you apply in your cheeks. Yes. Yeah, Anjali. Yes, Anjali. It is. Yeah, Teresa has done a good job. Yeah, exactly, Tisha. You have to do like that. Put more dots, Teresa. Veena, you can put it in your forehead also.
Yeah.
Srinivas, you can show me your face, and also Ankita. Ankita, please switch on. Please do not switch off the videos at all.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
don't have.
Okay, and Khushi. Done with putting dots. Yeah, okay, done with
Yes,
putting
ma'am.
dots. No? Okay, now take your blender, whatever blenders you have, this or this, whatever blender. You have to again tap it. You have to again blend it by tapping it. Yeah, blend it by tapping it. Okay. Put less pressure whenever you are doing this. Not much pressure required. Blend it everywhere in your whole face. Teresa, it's a very wrong procedure you're following. I already told you not to rub this, because this will not look like, okay, like this. I told you. She is doing it in the perfect way. Yeah, Srinivas also. Veena also. Anjali also. Anjali, be little quick. Okay. Everywhere you need to blend it, everywhere, in every part wherever you are applying the foundation. Above your eyes also. so that each tone will be the same one. Shouldn't leave any of the part of the face. Done with the blending, all of you? Or still left?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Anjali done? Nomika done? Nomika, you can show me your whole face. Shilke, you have done blending? Foundation blending done? Please blend it. If it's not done, you have to blend it in this way. Is it done, Shilka? Shilka, right? Sorry? Done? Done? Okay. All of you done? Okay, Khushi. I can see it. Your makeup is visible. It's nice. You can come more close to the camera. Your friends will also can help you.
Ma'am, actually, the foundation is not of my shade, so it's looking a little bit odd.
No, it's perfect. You can take the shade of your foundation. I mean, now you can use whatever you have. Okay, everyone is done with the foundation. So now I'll teach you how to contour your face. Okay, so that contouring is a technique where your features will look more sharp and your features will be highlighted in a good way. Okay, like sharp nose, a good jawline, a good this thing. So for that you need a brush with Khushi, can you show me your brushes?
Yes, ma'am, I'll get them more. Ma'am, I guess you'll be able to see this way only.
Okay, you just show me the brush whole set. I'll tell you which number brush. Okay, so the last one. Yes, that one. Yes, the one with one finger you're holding, that brush.
This one, right?
Yes. You please come. Can you put the close to the camera, the brush? Yeah. The other one, not the one with golden. The other no. Please take the
Both
brush.
are the same. Both are the same. It's just little small.
Okay. So can you guys see the brush which Khushi is holding? Yes, Srinivas, you have that. Yeah, Srinivas also has that. Can you take out all of you the same brush? Yes, Abhina. Yes, that is the correct one. Shilka. Anjali, can you take out your brush? Anjali? Everyone ready with their brushes? Okay, so guys, with that brush, okay, do you have a contouring set with you? Who have? Can you please tell me who have a contouring set with you right now?
I'm having, ma'am.
Having, okay, the contouring this thing you have, this kind of a thing, contouring shade you have.
I'm having a kit, ma'am.
Okay, can you show me your kit? Open your kit. Okay, you have little light brown there, little light brown shade, this kind of shade. Okay,
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes,
Contouring also, you have to, whenever you're going to a beauty place, since you guys are not in front of my face, otherwise I would have taken all of you together to a, makeup shop, and I would have selected colors for you. But since now you guys are in videos, so I'll not be able to help you with that. So for that, you need to take help of someone who is in the makeup shop. You can just ask that, give me my shade of contour, I need contour, and I give me my shade. So she will give you this. So I'm a little whitish complexion, so I'm using this as my contour shade. Okay, what I will do is I will first, Kushi, you have a contour set with you.
ma'am, I have a little brown shade over here.
Yes, yes. So little brown shade you can use it as a contour thing. Okay, little lighter you can use it. That is too dark. That will help you in eyebrow. But since you do not have it right now, so you can use that itself. Veena, you have it.
Yeah, yes.
Can you show it to me?
Ma'am, I can use this lip shade also.
Okay, fine. You can do with that. Then you can draw lines here. Okay, Veena, can you choose a little brownish one? Little brownish. Okay, and you can draw a line here and this way. In your jaw line, you can draw a line here. Here this way. And here also this way. Like this. You draw a line here, this way. A little up, Kushi, that's okay. But ma'am,
Is it here?
yes, that is the exact position. You can see Srinivas, she is drawn in the correct part. It will be in the jawline, exactly in the jawline, okay? It's the same. Not jawline, so sorry. The cheekbone, I was talking about the cheekbone. Okay, the cheekbone, exactly in the cheekbone you have to draw. Okay, it will highlight your cheekbone. Done. Okay. Now you can use your beauty blender. Beauty blender is done. Get ready with your beauty. Okay, so no. Okay. You're done with the cheekbone, no? So the one who is fat, Trisha, Trisha, where is Trisha? Trisha. So I saw Trisha with a broad face. So if your face, like my face, is very broad, so what I will do is with the contouring thing, like with the contouring brush, I'll take some amount of contour and I'll draw a line here. It's on my neck. Okay, here like this. I'll cut here. So and also in the nose, you can do the contouring. Anjali, wait. Not a foundation. Okay. Yes, exactly. How Kushi is up. This way. This way. Okay. It will give you a look after the contour thing. Not in the tip, okay? Just not on the bridge. On the side of the bridge of the nose, not on top of the bridge of the nose. Just on the side of the bridge of the nose, you have to apply this. Yes, Anjali, correct. Okay, done there. So now you can take your contour, beauty blender. You can blend it. Okay, I'll tell you how to blend, where to blend, and which part how to blend. So on the nose, you can. Everyone's done. She not done, I guess.
Yeah, I'm done.
Done. Anjali, done. You can blend it this way. Okay, this one. You can tap, and bring it never on the upward direction. Always in the downward direction. Okay. With this one, I'll show you. Okay, never on the bridge of the nose, but you have to bring towards your cheeks. On the both of the sides, you have to bring towards your cheeks. Okay. Done, all of you? Kushi, you don't put that black color all over. Sorry, Anjali, don't put that all over your face. Are you putting the brown color contour all over your face? Anjali, because I saw you blending all over the face. Don't do that. That is a brown color. It will make you look dark. It is only for contouring thing I was teaching you. Okay, now this part, this cheekbone part, you can always flip it like this. Can you see how I am doing? Always towards up, not towards down, always towards up. Yeah, both sides. Do on the both sides. Okay, so now do you have a bright contour? This is the dark contour shade. Do you guys have the bright contour shade? It will look like this. Wait, I will show you. Bright contour shade, just one moment. Bright contour shade will look like this. It will be bright in color. Do you guys have this? Bright contour?
No.
Okay, you can take any your foundation now, as a bright contour. Okay, this contouring thing is optional. Only if you want a sharp nose, sharp face features, only then you can use it. Or else, if you're not interested to do contouring, you can just keep off contouring. Just for making you look more beautiful, I was teaching that contouring technique to all of you. So it's your choice whether you want to use or whether you don't want to. Okay, so now how to use the bright contour shade, where to use, I'll tell you. Kushi, take out the same brush. Okay, all of you take out the same brush. Okay, and just click here. Okay, sorry, take some amount of bright contour and put like this here on your forehead, a line, draw a line, not on the eyebrows, above the eyebrows. Srinivas, not like that. Oh, wait, little bit. I show you this three. First one tap here. First three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now bring toward on the top of the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So now you can blend it with this blender. You have the blender with you. Srinivas, did you draw a line on the top of your nose like this? Here, like this? Okay, now just do the blending. Now just do the blending. You can just blend it like this. Same way you can tap. You can tap. You can do like this. On the top of your nose, you can do like this. See? Blending done. Blending done. Okay, now you can take your setting powder or the compact powder that you have, you guys. Do you guys have a compact powder or a setting powder with you? All of you have no. So if it is a setting powder, then take some amount of setting powder with your brush. Dip the brush in the setting powder. Okay, and apply it everywhere. You can apply it this way everywhere. And set your makeup. You can set your makeup with the setting powder. Later with the soft, not the one which you use for foundation, a separate one you can keep, and you can just set the whole makeup in this way. This is the base of the makeup basically. So with that you can do this one. Risa, are you doing? Okay, everywhere you can set it. Whole makeup, wherever you are seeing any kind of flaws, you can just cover it up with the setting powder. Done with that? Done, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I will be doing the eye makeup. So for eye makeup, you need to first apply the base. I'll show you the makeup shades. Wait. So guys, I tell all of you to try the Maybelline Nude shade for the Maybelline Nude shade. The Maybelline Nude shade is recommended for airline skin makeup. Okay, all the shades you'll get in Maybelline Nude shade. Or you can buy it. It will cost you around 999. Okay, for that is a good makeup, light makeup. Okay, take out your eyeshadow palette. Please take out all of you your eyeshadow palettes. It should look like. So this is my eyeshadow palette that I'm using. Okay, so you can take the lightest shade, okay, like golden, or you can say, so this is the shade which I'll be using it as a base. Little bit of, can you see little bit of golden, a little bit of whitish color is there. Golden and white mix, golden, white and silver mix this color. Can you see this color? Okay, so then you can take a brush, eyeshadow brush. Okay. So my brushes are not available with me right now. I'm really sorry for that. I changed my house in like yesterday, so some of the things I have not packed and it is still in my old house. That is the reason my brushes are not available. I apologize all of you for that. You can use this shade as a base. And you can put on top of your eyelid everywhere. Did you select it, the base? Veena, can you, all of you, I want you to show me your base. What bases are you applying? Everyone, please show me your base. Which base are you applying, Srinivas?
This one, ma'am.
I'm not able to see you. Sorry, which one? Can you just put the brush and show me? Okay, yes, correct. Okay, Veena, which one? The silver, or you can use golden or silver as a base, or white silver, pearl silver also, pearl golden also. These are the shades. Rose gold also you can use for as a base. Anjali, which color? Little lighter. Do you have little lighter? It is totally yellow. Do you have little light shade? Okay, no problem. Get a light shade. You can buy them Maybelline nudes. Okay, for eyeshadow, it is a very recommendable eyeshadow. Khushi, which product are you using?
Ma'am, I have the Maybelline nude, but right now I don't have it. So can I use this?
Yeah,
This
you can
shade?
use it. Yeah, that is perfect as a base. That is perfect as a base. So you can apply it all over your eyes with a brush. All over the eyes. You can. I have it all over your eyes of the base. Ankita, which shade are you applying? Yeah. Okay. The third one is good, I guess. Yes, I'm not able to see the perfect color, but I can see there's a lighter one with a rose gold kind of a thing. The second one, you can use it. The second one. The second, yes. So you can apply all over your eyes, all over your eyes. Shilka, yeah, apply it all over your eyes. Okay, Shilka, continue. Both the eyes, okay? Not in the bridge of the nose, only on the eyes, okay? Only on the eyes. From here till here, whole eyelid, okay? Whole the upper eye part here, whole eye. You have to apply it as a base of the eyeshadow. Done, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now the base is completed. Now you can use a darker shade. Okay, I will use the brown shade or the maroon shade, the maroon, dark maroon or the brown. Dark maroon or this kind. So this is the shades. It is very messy. I'm so sorry about it. I have been using it for a long time. So this is the dark brown. Sorry, this is the dark maroon I have. You can use either of the colors, either dark maroon or either dark brown. This is the brown or this is the maroon. Can you see, all of you? Can you recognize? So any shades which you have, the similar one, can you show it to me? The dark maroon or the dark brown.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Do you have a dark maroon? Dark
No,
green?
ma'am.
Which color? Any other shades you have? Which color shades do you have as of now? Only this eyeshadow palette you have with you right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please change it. Okay, you can buy the Maybelline nudes. As of now, I'll teach you with that itself. Okay, so bring it up little. Eyeshadow is not available. I mean, little bit of up. Okay, you can use that color. Universe.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
But this is not recommended. Okay, Veena, I can see the dark maroon in the middle of the second row. Yes. And the brush you are using is a good one. Okay, can you show it to everyone? All of you can use that kind of brush for, yeah. Put it close to the camera, Veena. Can all of you see the brush Veena is using? So that will be using, we will be using this kind of brush to draw the crease. Okay, we all have a crease here, right? So we'll be drawing a crease, we'll be highlighting our crease with that kind of a brush. Yeah, I think Khushi has got the brush, yes.
This
Srinivas,
one or this one?
you can use the pointed one for that because we'll be drawing one crease.
This one?
Yeah, fine.
Ma'am, so with the darker color, we need to make the crease.
Yeah, with you need to make a crease. Okay, you can draw a V shape right there. Wait, I'll show you. So you can take your brush, okay, and the edge, like please do whatever I'm doing later on because if you miss it, then it can to be a problem. So take the first dip it in the shade. Take the color. You have taken the color already. Okay. So now, okay, you can draw one line here like this. Little bit. Not shouldn't join the eyebrow. Leave one finger gap. Take one finger gap and draw one line here. Yes. Okay. Now you can draw one line here, right, like this. Okay. Draw the crease that you have. Yes. Now blend it little bit towards the eye, not towards the eyebrow, but towards the eye, like eye. You can just make it darker. Okay, this part, blend it in this way. Okay, towards this part you make it little dark. Okay, towards the edge. Are you all getting what I'm saying? I mean, okay, make it kind of a wing here, okay? Kind of a wing here. Not wing exactly, a V shape. A V shape here. Like this. And you have to blend it also. Blend it. Both the eyes you do the same thing. Yes, Ankita, it's perfect. Yeah, Ankita, I think you are doing great. Okay, make it little on the edge of your, till the half you make it dark. Till here. Okay, yeah, that is done. Also make it dark till here. Half of the eye. Yes. I think Ankita, can you please come close to camera and show your eyes? So this is the way I am expecting all of you to do. See how she is doing. She has drawn the crease. Okay, and towards the edge she has made a V shape, and also she has drawn till half part of the eye. So she has drawn the crease this way, again made a V, and she has blended till here, till the half part of the eye. So same thing you have all. Yeah, Khushi, correct. Veena also. Veena, can you do it a little darker? I'm not able to see. I think because of the light it's not visible.
Yes.
Okay. No problem. So on both the eyes you have to do. Done, all of you? Not done. Silka, are you doing? Following me? Okay. So now that you're done with the crease, take a light pink shade. Okay, take a light pink shade. I would tell you to take, wait, in my eyeshadow I'll be taking this shade, this light pink shade. Little darker is also fine, but it should like be a little lighter. Can you see this shade?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So this shade you can take it. This one.
Ma'am, this one?
Yes, perfect, Ankita.
Ma'am,
For Veena, the first one, second row, first one. No, right next. Yes. If it is the matte one, you can add some other like shimmer there. For Srinivas, it's the first thing, second one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Khushi, taken a lighter shade, all of you. Krisa, okay. Janvi, I was not able to see Janvi only from that time. Janvi, switch on your video. Shifana as well. Okay, so that lighter shade you just have to apply it here. Okay, I'll show you where. So take that lighter shade. Okay, I have a big brush. I'm so sorry how to show you guys. Just one moment, I'll check it. Okay, so I found a small one. So with it, just dip the color. Just dip the color and put it here. Blend it. Put it here. Okay, not on the crease, below the crease. Below the crease you have to draw the color. Blend it. Put the eyes. Done? Done? Done. So now what you can do, next step is take an eyeliner. Just give me a moment, I'll get the eyeliner. So you can first I'll teach you how to draw an eyeliner. First you will draw just watch me. You will draw a line like this. Okay. Again I'm showing you can draw a line like this. Here also you can draw the same thing. You can do. You can draw a line like this, and then from the corner of the eye you can start. You can start it this way. And draw the lining and join it to the line you have drawn, and then you can fill the other part. Got it? Got it, all of you? Okay. Okay, towards this part you make it little lighter, and towards the end of the part you can make it little bit of like thick one. Okay, first draw it here, but you have to draw it here first. That is the wings. Okay, little bit, not much, like little bit you can draw. See, I'm starting from here. I'm not drawing much. Little bit you can just do here and here also, like this. And then from the end you have to do a lining here like this and join that wings, and here you have to fill the color. Do it first.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, yes, yes. Did you draw one here, a wing, small wing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Is it perfect?
Yes, yes. Okay, you have drawn little longer, but that's fine. Try to make the wing little short. Okay, Srinivas? Try to make it little short. Okay. Draw it in the other eye also. Avina and Ankita.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I can't find my eyeliner.
Is it fine, ma'am?
Okay, you can find your eyeliner. Yes, yes, that is fine. Yeah, Srinivas, that is fine. Janvi, you draw. You have drawn. Sorry, I am not able to see you monitor. So, okay, so Shilika, can you close your eyes and show it to me? First, close your eyes, Shilika. Shilika.
Ma'am, is it fine?
Can you close your eyes and show it to me? Come little closer to the camera. Yeah, it's fine. Finally done. Okay, all of you done with the eyeliner? Yeah, fine. It's very nicely done, Kushi. Shilka, can you please close your eyes? Okay, you did not draw the wing, right? Little bit of wing can you draw here, and then little bit of enlarging the wing like this. First do this, okay? Not much, but little bit of this kind of thing you have to draw first, and then you have to draw a line from here and attach it like this. Can you do that? I want to see everyone's eye, okay? Can you show me? Like, close your eyes and show me. Yeah, done. Can you make it little thick? I'm not able to see the eyeliner. Little bit of wing expansion, like, putting here on this, and then expanding from here till here. Can you do it? Little bit of wing expansion. Yeah, Umra, you have done it very nicely. I like Umra's eyeliner. Umra, can you close your eyes and show it to everyone? Close your eyes and show it to everyone. Can you see the way Umra has drawn the eyeliner? Every one of you. She has extended little bit she has extended in this part little bit, and she has expanded here. Yeah. Every one of you can follow that. me, Anjali. Show me, Anjali. Close your eyes. Have you drawn something or not? I'm not able to see only. You have drawn the eyeliner, right? Okay, okay. Okay, done. Okay, so everyone has done. I'll show you how to apply the mascara. I will show you how to apply the mascara. So you can use this Colossal Color Bar mascara. Sorry, Maybelline Colossal mascara. That gives you very good eyelashes. Okay. This is the Colossal Maybelline mascara that I use. Okay, so when you are using the mascara, there is a technique to use the mascara. You first hold on like this, and then place your eyelids over your mascara, and then just close, blink like this. Okay, just hold. Just do not. Just first see, Anjali. First see, then only you apply. First see the technique. You just have to place it here above, below your eyelashes. Place your eyelashes over the mascara. Okay, then blink like this. Every time blink, blink, blink. Open and close, close, close. Got it? Both eyes look like this. Can you see how I am nodding my head and blinking? Done, no mascara, and in the lower lashes also you can apply it. Okay, if you're done with the upper lashes, I'll show you the lower lashes, how to use in the lower lashes. Okay, everyone, make sure whoever has done the makeup, no, just send me a picture after your makeup is done. Okay, email it to me. Okay, people, done. Whenever you're using, just as you have already applied makeup in your face, so you may hold slightly down like this. Okay, do not press much because it will rub your makeup. Okay, just simply one small, just like tap it very lightly and bring it down. Make sure that your makeup in this portion is not spoiled when you're stretching it down. Okay, always take care of the thing that you have applied makeup here in this portion. Already makeup has been applied. Okay, so just hold it lightly and then stretch it in this way, and you can apply it in your lower lashes. Just don't apply much pressure because it will spoil your whole makeup. Make sure you're applying on top of the eyelashes, not on the skin, only on the eyelashes. Done with the thing, done with the eyeliner and mascara. Okay, now all of you can do one thing. You can use a light shade, like you can use silver, or you can use peach color. Peach rose is also fine, or else peach is also fine. I'll use this color. Okay, the silver one, pearl silver I'll use. This is the pearl white. Pearl white you can use, or else peach you can use. Pearl white or peach. I'm telling you. Okay, those two colors. So take with your makeup brush, the eyeshadow brush. Take out all of you. Can you please take out all of you the eyeshadow brush? step, I'll use this peach, pearl white, sorry, the pearl white. I'll put it on top of here. I'll draw a line like this. Draw a line like this. Are you guys enjoying the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can draw a line like this. On the other side also, with the pearl white, draw a line like this. Apply it more here in this part. Under your eyebrows, you can apply it more. Okay, under your eyebrows, from this part, and start from here till here, apply it more. Okay, now is your mascara and eyeliner already dried, or is it yet to dry? Get dry?
It is dry.
It is dried. Okay, it is dried. So you can take the eyeshadow brush and you can close one eye like this. You can see with the other eye. One eye, make sure you close it. Other one which you will apply, and with the other eye you can see the other eye, and you can just blend it everywhere. Okay, you can blend it everywhere. You can blend the whole eyes. Okay, the crease and all, everything, blend it properly. Blending should be done. Just don't press much. Little in a lighter. See how am I doing? Very light. See? Okay, only this much of time you can do. Just slightly everywhere. Slightly everywhere. Done with the other eye. Okay, now guys, do the same pearl white or the same silver. If you have silver color, then it's much better. Okay, I do not have the silver color right now, so I'll be using this pearl white again. This pearl white again I'll be using. Okay, this color. So this one I will just put on the edge like this. Only one, this and this. No blending, nothing. Just a simple this and simple this. Just a simple this and this. Done. Pushy, don't do it so much. Again, it will spoil. Other eye you can start with. Yeah, snow maker you can do one here and one here. Ankita, done? White color, okay? Both the eyes. Okay, done with that? Veena, you done? Okay. So next step would be, so your eyeshadows are totally done, your eye makeup is totally done. So now you can start with the eyebrows. If you have an eyebrow pencil, all of you have an eyebrow pencil, right? Okay, if you have brush, then also it's fine. If you have eyebrow pencil, then also it's fine. Okay. Yeah, Khushi, that is perfectly you're doing it. So if all of you, whoever has, who has what, can you please show me pencil? Do you have pencil or do you have brush and this kind of powder? Okay, pencil you have, no? Okay, Veena, you can just draw just slight pressure. You put not much, no, don't draw it darkly, very slightly. You can just draw one line under your eyes like this. Towards the end, you can put little bit of pressure, not much pressure, very little bit of pressure. So here the pressure that you'll be putting is 20% out of 100%. 20% you'll be doing dark here. Towards the end, you have to do like 70% dark. Okay, like this you can draw. 20% till here and 70% here dark. Okay, and then with the brush, you have it on the other side, right? The brush. Yeah, Khushi has done perfectly. Nice, Khushi. Great job.
It's okay.
It's done. You can just blend the whole eyebrow if you have done. You can blend your whole eyebrow with a brush. With a brush, you can blend the whole eyebrow. Anjali, little darker. So yes, Risa, it's really nice. You're looking beautiful, but little bit of dark. I want you. You have not given the shape, I guess. So with the pencil, you have. What do you have, Risa? Can you show it to me? Can you show it to me?
Eyebrow pencil not in my hand.
Okay, what do you have for eyebrows?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, leave it, leave it. You can just observe the other people. You have to do the same thing. Yeah, Anjali, a little darker on the other side also. Shilka, I have not drawn the eyeliner. No, can you please follow Khushi? Khushi, can you show your eyeliner? I mean your eyebrow to everyone, the way you have done. Shilka, can you draw a line here? You draw a line, slight line here. First, you draw the line. Okay, here first on the lower part of your eyeliner, then on the upper little bit. Put 20% pressure when you are drawing on the first part of your eyebrows. And when you are going towards the end of your eyebrows, put 70% pressure and draw it towards the end like this. Put 20% pressure and draw one line on the below part of the eyeliner. Then put 70% on here towards the end. Do the same thing on the upper side here in this part of my eyebrow. I will put 20% pressure and then I will put 70% on the edge like this and draw. Trisha, can you Silka, can you do that? Shilka. Please do that, Shilka. Yeah, I cannot see your eyebrows drawn actually. Yeah, Srinivas, it's nice. It is very nice, Srinivas. Done, no? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you can brush it. Okay, all the eyebrow you can brush it. The whole eyebrow you can brush it and make it perfect. If you have this kind of brush, then also it's fine. If you have this kind of brush, then also you can brush it like this. You can just brush it like this. Okay, if you have this kind of brush, you just brush it like this. Eyebrows done? So next part I will talk about the blusher. So what color blusher do you guys have? Do you have peach color or golden color or any pearl white kind of a thing? Light golden. The recommendable color for the cheeks is it's pink, little pinkish, pink, peach, or light golden or light silver. Okay, you have the blusher, no? So take some amount of blusher from the palette. Take some amount of blusher and put it over your.
Talking about blusher or highlighter?
Blusher now. Highlighter I'll talk. Okay, for blusher you need to do only pink. I'm so sorry. Only pink blusher, okay? For highlighter you need to do peach and all those light golden, light silver, pearl white. Okay, so blusher, just you can put some blusher like this. See the way I'm applying it. First see, then apply. Can you see how I'm applying the blusher? Blusher is done for all of you. Is the blusher done? Okay, so now you can take the highlighters. Thank you, Khushi, for reminding me, okay, about the highlighter thing. So highlighter, you can either use peach color or either you can use light golden, light silver or pearl white. These are the shades you can use for blusher. So you can dip the brush in the blusher palette, in the highlighter palette, and you can draw one here like this. Only on the bridge of the nose here, you can just give a shine to the nose, bridge of the nose. With the highlighter, I'm applying highlighter. Then with the, yes, Khushi, nice. Okay, now you can do highlight it in this part. Veena, can you see? Janvi, you there?
Yes.
Janvi, can I see you? Not able to see you only today.
Just a minute.
Anjali, done with the blusher, Anjali. Now highlighting your cheeks. Have you highlighted the nose, bridge of the nose like this? Done? Okay, now first highlight the bridge of the nose, then highlight you can use the brush which Khushi is using. Khushi, can you please show your brush by bringing it close to the camera? I want everyone to get a brush like this for highlighting. Highlighting brush, this is the highlighting brush. Okay, Khushi, continue. Continue, Khushi. See how she is highlighting. Very nice, Khushi. Very nice. I like the way you are applying. Really nice. Srinivas, you are done with the highlighting? Done with the highlighting? Do you want me to teach you again about highlighting? Srinivas?
Done with it.
You're done with the highlighting? Okay, so now you can apply the lipstick. Can you take out your lipstick, all of you?
Number
The red, the blood red or cherry red. Cherry red or blood red. Please take out your red lipsticks. Which color are you guys using? I want blood red or cherry red. This is which color?
Mama, I have used nude color.
Okay, you do not have red color. You all? I want red color. Because mostly in this interviews and all, you can use red color for the interviews because all the airlines they use red color only mostly. Red color is always a shade they prefer to use.
Ma'am, is it okay?
You have red color with you, can you ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How does this color work?
Is it red color?
Little darker than red.
Okay, fine. You can apply whatever you have right now, but make sure you buy a cherry red color for interviews. Okay, you can just apply it on your lips. So I guess all of you know how to apply the lipstick. Still, I'll show you can draw a border first, like this. First you can draw a border, then you can blend whole lips. Or else if you're having a lipstick, with you,
Yes, ma'am.
then you can draw it like this. Draw the lipstick. Veena is done with the lipstick, I guess. Anjali, can you draw the lipstick? Apply the lipstick. Done with the lipsticks, all of you. Shilpa, have you applied the lipstick? Everyone done with the lipstick? Okay, everyone's done with the lipstick. Okay, so now I'll talk about the hairs. Whoever has straight hairs can just whoever want to. How many of you all want me to just speak? Okay, how many of you all want me to show the straight hairstyle, and how many of you all want me to show the bun hairstyle?
Bun, ma'am.
Okay, everyone speak, please.
Bun.
Okay, bun. Okay. So for the straight hair, I'll just tell you. You just have to straighten your hair first. Just use straightener and straighten your hair first. Okay, then use a comb. You can use a comb and draw a partition here. Okay, right away here, and then you can make a partition and then comb both sides. Okay, you can with a hair fixer you can just spray the hair and set with a with a comb you can just comb it once again on the both the sides. This will set your hair in a straight position without baby hairs coming up. So that is a simple straight hairstyle. You can just put one part like this underneath your ears like this, and then you can leave it and you can go for interviews. Okay, that is just straight hair. So only airlines like AirAsia and all, they prefer the straight hairs look. Others they do not, they don't want the straight hair look. So for the bun, what you need to do is first comb your hair and take a partition on the side partition. Take a side partition you make with a comb. Just take out and do a side partition, all of you. Veena, first open your hair and then do a side partition. Kushi, I need you to do a little side partition. Yeah. Okay, after doing the side partition, what you will do in next step is put your comb here on this part. Take some hairs. Okay, take some hairs like this. Okay, do a partition here. And take all the hairs back. Okay, it should be straight. Mine is not straight, but yours should be straight. You have to make a partition here as well, and you have to leave some hairs in front. Okay, some hairs in front, and take whole hairs and tie it. Whole hairs you have to comb and tie it. Khushi, leave little less hair, okay? I think I have left so much of hair. Less. Little less, yeah. Yeah. That's fine. Srinivas, little less. Okay. On the forward part, you can just leave this much of hair and tie the other hairs. Can you see how much I'm leaving?
Yes.
So this hair, you can just brush it once. Okay, you can just comb it once. This hair you can comb it and take it to the back like this. Take it to the back like this. And tie that part also. Don't show your face while showing it. You can hide your forehead in this way. You can hide your forehead in this way, and you can tie the whole hair like this. Can you see how I have put? Yeah, Chilka, it's good. Okay, but put your ear. Take out your ear. Don't hide your ear. Take out your whole ear. Whole ear. Yeah, put all your hairs behind. Yes, perfect. Shilka, everyone can follow Shilka's how neatly she has tied her hair. Shilka, please show. And also Ankita has perfectly done. Ankita very perfectly done. Okay, Veena also has done nicely. So this is done. So guys, you have a donut bun with you, right? Hair tying is done. Guys, you have a donut bun with you, right? Donut bun. Always mark one thing. Okay, it's a very important thing. Your hair always changes your look. If you'll tie your hair neatly and tidily, that is the only thing which will change your whole look. Okay, always take care of your hairstyle. Hairstyle is very important. It will always give you a neat and a tidy look. Okay, so since Khushi, I need you to cover a little bit of your forehead like this, okay? Just do a comb. You take a comb and just comb this way like this. This part. Literally have to. Oh, yes, exactly. Can you see Shilka? Yes, Khushi. Now it's perfect. Yes, Khushi. Yeah, it's great now. Srinivas, tie it properly. I can see a big puff here. Don't do so much of big puff. Put the puff. Press your hair. Do not make such a big puff. Not required. Press your hair and tie it properly, neatly. Srinivas, that is a big puff.
Ma'am, it's not getting for me.
Okay, so you just press it. So you just press it and you tie it tightly. Yeah, press it like that. Yes.
Fine.
Yes. Yeah, perfect, all of you. Okay. Yeah. Tie it. Where is it? Yeah. You was tied it. Yes, Janvi, very nice. Very neatly you have done it. So everyone is done, no? Anjali also nice. Very good, all of you. So now what you have to do is, when you're tying your hair, you have a hair like this. So you have a donut right with you, or you all have a donut with you, right? Take out your donut, put the donut inside your hair. Yes, Anjali, you have to put the donut here. Put the whole donut here. Everyone put the donut inside your hair. After the donut is being put, okay, the donut is being put, no? Now you have to spread your hairs all over the donut in a circular motion, and make sure that you're in a circular motion. You have to spread your hairs, okay, and make sure that your donut is covered with your hairs. Okay, done.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Small doubt. Whether the donut should be placed here or else in the middle of the hair.
Middle of the head. Okay, done with that, putting the donut. Okay, now what you can do is, after you spread your hairs, you put a rubber band, take a rubber band, open the rubber band and just put over that hairs, okay? Put over that hairs. Spread your hairs and then put a rubber, okay? Put a rubber over the hairs. Put a rubber over the hairs and the donut. Okay, now you have extra hairs with you. Now you have extra hairs. So you segregate half hair this side, half hair this side. Okay, but then you can roll the hairs like this. Half hair, you can roll the hairs. Both the sides you can roll the hairs. Roll hairs and put it across the donut. Put it across this roll hairs. No, you have hairs. You have rolled the hairs in this way. No. So this kind of rolling is necessary. You can roll the hairs, or you can roll the hairs and put it in a circular motion. Put it in a circular motion next to the donut. Okay. Yes, Janvi has done. Janvi, can you move back and show? Okay. First you do that. And with U-pins and clips. With U-pins and clips, you can fix those hairs. Yes, Veena also very perfectly done. With U-pins and with bobby pins, you can fix all the baby hairs and all. Okay, done all of you. Yeah, very perfectly done all of you. Very nice all of you. So now what you can do, guys have a spray. You can use aloe vera gel or you can use a spray. Okay, aloe vera gel, you can just, if you're having aloe vera gel, just put it in your hand. You can just do like this you can do, and you can hide your baby hairs. If you have a spray, you can just spray all over your head like this. What is that, Srinivas? Is it a spray?
Serum, ma'am.
No, not serum. Not serum. Only spray or hair gel. Hair gel or hair spray. Not serum. Okay. Okay, now it is done. No. So what you can do is, with the spray, you can just take a comb. I'm just using this one. Okay, but I don't have a comb also. So with the comb, you can just slightly, you cannot put pressure. Just slightly do like this. So all your baby hairs will be hidden. No baby hairs will be coming this in this direction. Just have to do this way. After you apply the spray, Anjali, you can put a clip. There. So everyone is done. I want all of you to take a picture. Everyone come online, please. Khushi, Janvi, everyone, please show me your face. Come close to the camera. Just 1 second. Yeah, please smile. I'll tell two persons to smile. Now I would request Janvi and Anjali to smile. Anjali is done. And Janvi, please smile. Okay, Kushi, Anjali, please smile. No, smile, smile. Don't move your lips. Smile. Okay. Kushi and Shilka, please smile. Both of you. Okay, Srinivas, please smile and remove your specs. Please remove your specs. Okay, come closer. Bring your face closer. No, you are showing your chest. I need your head. Come, your camera little up. Only your face. Your head also. Show me your top portion of the head. Wait. Just 1 second, wait. Just 1 second, okay, my camera became switched off. I want all of, after this class, once the class is over, I want all of you to take a picture with a beautiful smile and send it to me in my email ID, okay?
Ma'am, is it compulsory to make buns? Can we make like ponytails?
In SpiceJet interview you can make, but in Qatar interview, in Indigo interview, you have to make the bun.
Ma'am, for other international airlines like British Airways, they.
British Airways, yeah, you can. British Airways, I have no idea about it. Etihad, Qatar, and all, you have to always tie a bun.
Okay.
Veena, please smile, and Srinivas also smile, please.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt, but the lectures for boys are over or something.
Yeah, it is over. Tomorrow I'll continue with the boys.
Okay, thank you.
Where is Ankita Kumari? Ankita Kumari? Ankita Kumari. Yeah, please show me your face and smile.
Ma'am, actually I don't have a rubber band, that's why I not make a bun.
Okay, no problem. Ankita, please open. Okay, smile, Ankita. Okay, done all of you. Okay, guys, you can just click. All of you have to click a picture and show it to me. Prisa, can you please smile? Only your face. Show me your face, Prisa. Okay, Krisha, all of you, every one of you, I'm ending the session here. You can just please mail me your photos, okay? That is the task for all of you today. Tomorrow we'll start with another session, okay? Any doubts? Anything you want me to ask? Anything you want to ask me?
Also, in which airlines can you keep a hair open?
Hair open, AirAsia. You have to make, it's a mandatory thing for AirAsia. If you are going in AirAsia interview, it's mandatory that you have to, open your hairs. Mandatory, it's a mandatory thing. Okay. For AirAsia, you have to always open the hair. For Indigo and for Qatar, Etihad, you always have to tie your buns. For Singapore Airlines also, you always have to tie your buns. For airlines like SpiceJet, you can tie a ponytail. For GoAir also, it's necessary to tie your hairs. Yes. For GoAir, I have no idea. Never been to GoAir actually. But mostly, yes, you can tie your hairs. It will give you a neat look, and they prefer neat look. Okay. Thank you, all of you. Have a good day. Tomorrow,
Thank you, ma'am.
all of you. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.